approach from the west for Friday. The next system is forecast.
What we're going to do here is go for a snow ride in the direction of North Montco. And this is Oreland, PA. So we'll see how the roads are out here. February 10th, 2010.
I'm in that truck.
Additional snow and sleet accumulation of 4 to 8 inches. Ice accumulation of up to a 10th of an inch. Windy with highs in the lower 30s.
2029 this period.
15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Coming north 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour this afternoon.
So it's probably going to need to get cut or strung up, but we can't do anything right now.
Snow likely, mainly in the evening. Because of flowing snow in the evening. Total snow accumulation of 8 to 24 inches. Windy with was in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming highly sunny. Brisk with highs in the mid-30s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 19. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s.
They're going to remain available unless you send the
miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. And the extended forecast. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 20. Sunday, partly sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. Sunday night, partly cloudy.
AM 4109, disregard. Traffic can turn right on it, can't tell, right?
Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s.
Showing towards Fort Washington from Oreland now. Not right now. It's blocking the whole thing.
Weather radio all hazards. The voice of the National Weather Service on station YH28 from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz with a power of 1,000 watts. This programming originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey, and is broadcast through an antenna located on the PSFS building in Center City, Philadelphia. This station provides 7-day generalized public forecasts for Philadelphia and the Delaware Valley, as well as hourly weather observations for the region, continuously, 24 hours a day. Marine forecasts for the coastal waters off the New Jersey and Delaware coasts, and also the Delaware Bay are broadcast generally in 15 and 45 minutes after each hour. Climate reports play at the top and bottom of each hour in the morning and evening. Some local river stages and forecasts are broadcast between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. each day. Specific area message encoder, or SAME, tones will be sent for short fused warnings affecting the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Worcester, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kenton, Newcastle, and in Maryland, Cecil. Test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, if severe weather is possible during the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. If you wish to contact the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, you can call between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. 7 days a week at 609-261-6615 and choose option 2. Thank you for listening to the Weather Radio.
This tree is especially blocking this area. I don't know if they come from back a little bit. The homeowners want to take care of it, but obviously right now we can't get anybody out to take down the rest of the tree.
At noon at Philadelphia International Airport, heavy snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile. The temperature was 31 degrees to 2.30 degrees, and the relative humidity 96%. The wind was north at 20 miles an hour, gusting to 29 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 19. The pressure was 29.15 inches and falling. At Wilmington, snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/2 of a mile. The temperature was 32 degrees to 2.30 degrees, and the relative humidity 92%. The wind was northwest at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 26 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 20. The pressure was 29.17 inches and falling. There are some conditions across eastern Pennsylvania at noon.
Further notes for this information, Dominic was told by you guys to leave a note on the vehicle that he struck. He now wants to advise you that the vehicle is left and he was unable to leave a note.
With a temperature of 30. At Doylestown, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 20. 28. At Reading, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 31. At Allentown, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 30. At Lancaster, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 29. At Harrisburg, snow and blowing snow were reported with a temperature of 26. At Wilkes-Barre, Scranton, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 28. Some conditions across southern New Jersey at noon. At Trenton, rain was falling with a temperature of 33. At Wrightstown, sleet and rain were reported with a temperature of 34. At Mount Holly, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 32. At Millville, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 34. At Atlantic City Airport in Pomona, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 37. Weather across Delaware at noon. Dover was 30 degrees with snow and fog. Georgetown was 31 degrees with heavy snow and fog. A few other locations at noon. At State College, snow was falling with a temperature of 17. It was 26 at Baltimore Center Harbor. At Pittsburgh, snow and blowing snow were reported with a temperature of 16. At New York City, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 32. Once again, at noon at Philadelphia International Airport, it was 31 degrees with heavy snow and fog. At Wilmington, it was 32 degrees with snow and fog.
The coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey, about 20 nautical miles. Storm warning in effect through late tonight. This afternoon, northeast winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts to 35 knots, becoming north 25 to 35 knots with gusts to 50 knots. Sea 6 to 9 feet, 32 8 to 11 feet. Rain and snow with a chance of sleet early and snow tonight. Northwest winds 30 to 35 knots with gusts to 50 knots.
358, Falcon 9 Trauma,
Visibility
28,
occasionally
Matter
1
Way,
half nautical
Woodward
miles.
Gardens. Number
Thursday,
8,
northwest winds 25 to 30 knots with
358,
gusts to 45
Falcon 9
knots.
Trauma,
Seas 5 to 9 feet.
58, Matter
Thursday
Way,
night,
Woodward
northwest
Gardens.
winds 20
Number
to 25 knots with gusts to
58,
40 knots.
Matter Way,
Seas 3 to
Woodward
6
Gardens.
feet. Friday, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 30 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Friday night, west winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 30 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Saturday, west winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Sunday, west winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Subsiding to 2 to 3 feet. At night, the coastal waters forecast from Little Lake Inlet, New Jersey to Wake Island, Delaware out 20 nautical miles.
329.
Storm warning in effect through late tonight.
329, okay.
Variable winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 30 knots, becoming northwest 30 to 40 knots with gusts to 50 knots. Sea 6 to 9 feet. 32 8 to 11 feet. No changing. Visibility lowering to 1 nautical mile or less. Northwest winds 30 to 40 knots with gusts to 50 knots. Seas 8 to 12 feet. Snow likely in the evening with visibility occasionally 1 to 3 nautical miles. Thursday, northwest winds 30 to 35 knots, diminishing to 25 to 30 knots in the afternoon. Sea 6 to 9 feet, subsiding to 4 to 7 feet in the afternoon. Thursday night, northwest winds 25 to 30 knots, diminishing to 20 to 25 knots after midnight. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Friday, northwest winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts to 30 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Friday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 30 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Saturday, west winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Sunday, west winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots after
Echo
midnight.
Victor is
Seas 3 to 5 feet.
32375.
The
There's actually
marine
another one
forecast
sitting next to it,
for
northbound.
Delaware Bay south to east
309 at
New Jersey to
63.
Robert,
Echo
East
Victor
Delaware.
is 32041.
Storm warning in effect through
I'll be out
late
there.
tonight. This afternoon, north winds 20